I don't really like this one either. And I'm probably in like number 3 video by now. Might as well put a little on. See if it helps. Because the other one I didn't like from Mineral Fusion, and I'm not crazy about this one from Pacifica. I am very picky about mascara, and it's because I don't have very thick lashes or long lashes. Sometimes people say, your lashes are so long. It's like, no, I just bent them up, straight up, so they look long. The eyelash curler. That's why I know so many tricks, by the way, y'all, because I don't have perfect features. And most people don't. There's the occasional gal that's just born. There's guys that are born with it. It's not fair. They don't need mascara. They got big, thick black lashes. And people say it's because they don't put mascara on. And it's like, no, I doubt that's it at all. They're more hairy. They have testosterone, too. Hold on. But because this is a comb, it's easier to rake through the product. Like, once you apply it, it's easy to rake it through. That's the one thing I do like about this. But it's the formula. It's just not thick enough. So, again, this would be good for raking through existing like I just did. And maybe adding a little more volume. I'd probably be more likely to buy that one than the Mineral Fusion. I also did get Pacifica Super Powder Trio. It's more of a cream-based product. I might as well go over this. Here it is. And this is the Stone Cold Fox. And it says it is formulated without carbon, FD&C color, parabens, or petroleum. And for Pacifica, portions of their proceeds go to support the Clean Water Program, which I really do like that. Now, if you like cream shadows, I think you would love this. It is a cream shadow. It goes on very nicely as far as it is very sheer. So there's that. And then this one is the blush, and it's called Blushes. Blushes? Blushiest, and it's coconut and rose infused cheek color. And we could apply a little of that for you so you can see it. This color is called Wild Rose. There's only 2 colors. I forgot the other one was, but it was a little more rusty. And this one's called Wild Rose. And it's got a bit of shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see. But now you'll be able to see because, yeah, I'm going to put it right over my existing blush. And what I like about it is it's sort of like having a highlighter without putting on highlighter. Like if I put it down my nose, I instantly have a highlight. See that? Yeah, it's like having a highlighter and blush in one. So I do like that. I keep that up here. So I do like that a lot. I got my Pacifica and Mineral Fusion products from, is it Sprouts? Yeah, Sprouts. That's where I got it. For those of you going, where did you get that? And where did you get these Face Secrets? I think I got this at either Ulta. Yeah, I think I got these at Ulta. And it's when I also got these, which are, it's called Face Secrets. And these are dual-ended sponge applicators. And I love that because nothing puts makeup on better than a sponge applicator. In my opinion, it puts on makeup much better than brushes do. But blushes tend to blend better. So, you know, everything's got its positive. Right? Okay, y'all, well, this might be short. The next video I'm going to do is going to be using All Thrive Cosmetics. I've got this palette, which I've showed y'all before. It's called the Warm Neutrals palette. And it is, I mean, can you get more perfect? It's got everything you need. It's got the highlighter. It's got a shimmer. It's got the shades of brown, including a really dark one for your brow. It's that you can do both transition and depth shading. And it's also got the black in the center there, so you can line with that as well. And this big wide mirror, and it says, "You're perfect just the way you are, but use our makeup." It didn't say that part, but obviously it's a makeup company. But then also, I really do like their eyebrow pencil, Infinity Waterproof Eyebrow Liner. And this is in color Audrey, and it has both the little spoolie on one end and a very tiny nib, like Anastasia Brow Wiz has on the other. And this is Infinity Waterproof Eyeliner in Lauren, which is basically black, and it's got a scroll up waterproof liner